somebody is snoring, and I really need to know who it is. I am here scratching Sweet Maz. You can see her. She's absolutely loving it. And I've been scratching her for, I don't know, like probably 15 minutes. 15 minutes? What do you think? Maybe 20. Yeah, she is absolutely loving it. But the whole time, on the other side of this wall here, somebody is snoring. And I really need to know who it is. All right, let's go see. Well, you're not snoring, Flopsy. What kind of noise you making out here? It sounds like you were snoring. I keep hearing it, and I don't know why. But Flopsy's like, nope, it isn't me. The story of the mysterious noise to be continued.